Good morning. Today, breakfast time, I had 32 ounces of orange juice, and now I'm having some watermelon. Usually this time of year, we're still at the tail end of citrus season, and watermelons just came into season, and we're, like halfway, well, not even probably. So, not even halfway through watermelon season. So lots of watermelons, still lots of orange juice. And, sometimes people think that, a raw vegan diet is boring. I should say boring because, I eat the same foods over and over again. But to be honest with you, I never get tired of it. It always tastes good because I'm hungry and it tastes good. And so don't get hung up on, you need this, you need that, you need 10 ingredients. And by the way, that dinner recipe that I put up last night, someone asked, with the orange juice and the almond butter, do you drink that? No, I don't drink that. That is my dressing. Now, it was a lot of dressing because I like it really wet and kind of soggy. Well, maybe that's a bad word to say, but I like a lot of dressing. It was a little too much, but I'd rather have too much than too little. So dressing is key for me. Dress for success. Absolutely. If the salad does not have a good dressing, you're not going to enjoy the salad that much. So, mono meals are key, to your enjoying this lifestyle. You have to learn, just eat watermelon. Eat as much as you can because you need to increase your volume of fruit because fruit is the best food on the planet. But sometimes in the beginning, it's hard to eat large volumes. I know with me, when I used to eat watermelon, my stomach would get like cramps. And I would go over, lie down and curl up. And we had a joke between my wife and I would say, I'm getting the curl. The curl means you want to just curl up because you've got too much hydrating food in your stomach and your stomach has not yet expanded. So, I don't get the curl anymore because I'm used to it now. I can eat a lot of watermelon without having to go curl up. My stomach feels fine. Why? Because when you start to eat hydrating foods, the water starts to expand your stomach. You're not going to get fat. It's just that your stomach is expanding to be able to take more fruit, which I totally believe we are designed for. But because of modern living, dead, cooked food, which is devoid of water, our stomachs shrink. So we have to eat the hydrating foods, the watermelons, the pineapples, the grapes, mangoes, all the juicy fruits, okay, the peaches, and your stomach will start to expand. Now, in the beginning, you may eat one mango or two mangoes and say that's enough. But try to increase the volume at every meal a little bit more with your fruit consumption. That's going to be important because mono meals are so good. Another reason why they're so good, the digestive juices, you only need certain ones for watermelon. And maybe you need certain ones for mangoes or bananas or peaches or plums or apples. Different digestive juices. And when you get all these digestive juices going, it's hard on your body. Too much going on in the system. You want to keep it simple. So when you just, see, I had my orange juice about a half an hour ago, and now I'm having my watermelon, and that'll be it until my noon meal. So, and I can eat this and still go out if I don't have real strenuous tennis to play. Like I don't have a match. I'm just going to go out and do some light stuff, make a little video, and that'll be it. Now, if I had a match, I would have to be eating this at least 3 hours before the match, because I don't want to be digesting even this, which is easy to digest, you know, too close to the match. So 3 hours before strenuous activity. If you're doing light stuff like walking or stretching, I'm talking about intense. If it's intense, don't eat before you work out. Don't have anything, maybe a glass of water or a little bit of lemonade, and that's it, and go. Or nothing. I prefer nothing before intense workouts. And then hydrate after. You could keep water or lemonade with you during the workout, which, you know, if you feel that thirst, go for a little sip here and there. But anyway, mono meals are so beneficial. You have to learn to increase the volume just a little bit more at every meal, and that way your stomach will start to expand. You'll be able to eat more fruit, the healthiest food on the planet. You're going to get hydrated. You're going to get vitamins. You're going to get vitality. So try that, and please post any questions or comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you. All the best. I'm going to continue fruiting up, baby.